everybody, Stuart Macadam here, and welcome to today's video. Now, I know it's been a while since I last did a video, and I apologize for that. It's just been really busy on the work front, so hopefully we can get back into a regular routine of uploading videos at least twice a week on the channel and hopefully more. But just want to share some super exciting announcements. First is when it comes to tutorials, I'm going to be walking through how all of the engagement-based ads work. Now, by engagement, we're talking about getting people to engage with your posts, creating a page likes campaign, and also promoting your event on Facebook and how to do that effectively. So it's going to be a great tutorial. I've already done videos on all of those things, but I've gotten requests from people on how to do all those things again. So I'm going to walk through each of those situations and also give examples of when it is a good time to run engagement-based campaigns and when you'd best be suited to run other types of campaigns. So coming on to something that's super exciting, which is, of course, course reviews. And we've got a couple of great ones that we've purchased recently. We have purchased Eric Hoffman's pre-sale action plan. Now, Eric is quite an interesting fellow. I've gone through his course. I'm looking to start making some notes about what exactly it is, but his basic philosophy is that you shouldn't be making a course. You should be pre-selling it first and see if the market wants to buy what you have to offer, rather than spending all this time making the course and then not having anybody buy it, and you've wasted a significant amount of time and money and resources putting that course together when no one wants it. So going to be a very interesting review. We're really looking forward to putting that together for you. We also have Ahmed and Kadir's YouTube ads workshop. Now, these two guys have worked with some of the biggest names in digital marketing, and I was quite surprised when I saw some of the names that they'd worked with. These are guys who have got 7, possibly even 8-figure businesses that they're working with right now. And they are super knowledgeable about YouTube ads. One of the early things I'm going to say about the course review, I'm not going to give everything away, but one of the things that strikes me as similar to them is the course review that we did for Rudy Marwa's Better Ads in 7 Days. And that is something which sort of parallels quite a lot. I think they have the same level of knowledge about YouTube ads as Rudy does about Facebook ads. So it's a jam-packed course. There is so much information in there. So breaking it down and giving you an overview on what the course was like, what the content covered was, and how useful it is in the grander scheme of things is going to be fantastic. And lastly, we have got a smaller course by Riley Stuart, which is called More Gym Members. I haven't had time to jump into that yet, but once I get a free moment on the weekend, I will be going through it and sharing a review, hopefully before Christmas time. Now that comes down to the next thing, which is on Facebook ads strategy. Now, one of the reasons why this is so important is because we are heading into the 4th quarter at the time of this video recording. And that can mean only one thing: the holiday season is coming up. So it's important to have a plan for Black Friday, Thanksgiving, Christmas, Boxing Day, New Year's, and everything around that. Because if you are not putting the time and a plan together for all those things, you're going to run into a couple of problems, which is that your competitors will, and they will beat you with the market share for that time of the year. And for a lot of businesses, it could be a very important time of the year for them, because with all of the challenges that they've had to face in the last 2 years, they're definitely going to be needing that extra bit of financial injection into their business. So that's something that we're going to be discussing and giving you some ideas on how you can use that in your business. And last but not least, I'm super excited to announce as well that we are going to start having some guests on the channel as well, where they are going to be talking about how they're using Facebook marketing and social media marketing to promote themselves and also the causes and organizations and the businesses which they have. So first up, we've got a fellow called Matthew Small, who is running for Hamilton Council next year. Matthew's someone I've followed with great interest over the last couple of years. He's definitely got a very engaged Facebook community and a lot of causes that he's very passionate about. So it's going to be great to hear his thoughts and opinions about how he uses Facebook and other social media platforms as well to communicate his message and what he stands for. And also whether or not he thinks that's going to be the difference between him getting into council in as a councillor next year, or whether it'll mean he just has to keep on growing his community until he has got enough grassroots support to get into council. So I am super, super excited to hear what Matthew has to say about all of those things, because politics and Facebook is something that I have absolutely zero clue about. And it's obviously something which Matthew has been reasonably engaged in for the best part of 4 years. So keep your eyes posted on that. If you'd like to appear on the channel as a guest, whether you've got a business that you've grown with Facebook, or whether you've got a not-for-profit organization that you use Facebook for, it would be fantastic if you could reach out to me just in the comments section below, or just go and email me on info@stuartmacadam.com. And with that said, I look forward to seeing you in the upcoming videos on the channel, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.